Hello everyone. Good afternoon everyone. Just joking. So it means so I know the greetings from this one, so the afternoon session. So I'm sorry I got late from this morning. So we're here from this one. It is analyze of these games in US Championships 2025 or 2025 US Women Chess Championship. So it means two rounds here. So round number 10 to 11. So two games analyzed here. So these are 8 time clocks within long game or round robin. So in this today's round number 10 and also have a between from this international master in USA is Carissa Yip versus the host by international master in USA is Nasi Pakitsi. So after round number 10, so next proceed by round number 11. So it means woman grandmaster in USA is Talia Cervantes. So later from this next proceed of this last round. So in this part of this videos here, we have analyzed here of the standings after round number 10 in championships women's Swiss. So white plays Yip is e4, c6 Pakid C, Caro-Kann defense, d4, d5, e5, bishop f5, and also knight f3, e6 is called by Caro-Kann defense, advanced short variation. So these are the variations here. And also bishop e2 by Yip without preparing by castling kingside. And also knight e7 by Pakitsi, and also castle kingside by Yip, h6 without no more by bishop to g5, and also knight bd2, knight d7 without knight pairs, and also c3 without good precise by Yip without develops the pawns, and also g5 without controls by strong by Pakitsi, and also rook e1, and also queen c7, or maybe here by preparing castling queen side here by Pakitsi, and also a4, bishop g7 by Pakitsi, or preparing castling king side, and also knight f1. So what the plans by Yip, or next by maneuvers knight e3 or knight g3 here. So these are the next move, and also c5 without controls, without attacks these pawns and captured. So these are a novelty by Yip, so it means out of this book line. So these are the old main lines by recording by chess.com is knight e3 or knight g3. So it means old main line. So it means new move, captured bad move. So out of this book line by Yip here. And also knight captured, and also ignorance. So it means for example, so why don't we try knight captured? So knight takes e5. So how do you control by attacks without queens or bishop? So what do you choose from this one? And also decided bishop captured knight. So these are a etc etc. These are the good examples here. So it means knight d4 by ignorance by Yip. Without threats the bishop. Without attacks this one. So without controls by temples attacks here. And also castle kingside by Pakitsi. And also knight g3 by Yip without threats the bishops, or because the knights, these are the threats the bishops. So these are the doubles the knights here. And also bishop g6 by Pakitsi, and also knight h5 without threats the bishop. So without attacks the temples attacks the counters attacks, and decided bishop captured, and also knight d7. So without knight d7, without move side by this one the knight d7, or without knights by white pieces, or next by move by knight to b5 without threats the queens here. And decided this one is pawn h4 without counters attacks the pawns, and push g4. So wrong decisions by Pakitsi. So the best moves is capture this pawn. So these are the realized here by this one, the need more capture this pawn. So these are the slightly advantage from blacks here. So back there is g4 by pushes by Pakitsi, and bishop captured. So does not one of this computer by Yip. So the one's computer is queen captured pawns here. So queen captured here. So these are the slightly better from white because these are the best move the queens here. So it means a bishop captured by Yip, and also knight takes captured or realized here without controls by this one, and also bishop e3 without controls the diagonal, so without pins the knights here, and decided this one is knight g6. So what the plans, or without next by knight to e5 without threats the bishop, or next by maneuvers by packet c here, and also h5 without threats the knights here, and knight e7 go back. So why don't we move by knight to e5, so without controls here? So it means decided by this one, knight e7 by packet c, and also knight b5 by Yip without threatening the queen, so without counters attacks by eliminates here, and also queen c6, and also bishop d4 without counters attacks the bishop to bishop, and decided pawn f5 without attacks the bishop, bishop f3, and also knight e4 without counters attacks here. So without controls by strong move by packet c, and also bishop captured, king takes, and also queen d4 check, rook f6 without defense, and also knight takes captured pawns. So why? Because these are the knight takes captured. So these are the knight takes captured because these are the develops the defense the queens here, because knight takes captured pawns here, and also queen d7. Oh wait, so I'm sorry, I forgot. So these are the knights here without threats the queens here. So threats the queens. So I'm sorry, I forgot by this one the word. So it means so. So knight takes a7 attacks the queens, and queen d7 by packet c, and knight b5. So these are a wrong decisions by X move by Yip. So that's not one of this computer. So the one's computer is bishop captured knight. So it means if you f takes e4, and also knight go back here, so knight go back b5. So these are a slightly better from whites here, so slightly better here. So back there, this one is knight b5 by Yip here, and also knight c6, good move. So good move by packet c, so great move. So these are the threatening the queens here. So it means these are the eliminates the queens, and also queen b6, and also rook c8. So these are a false move, so bad move by packet c. So the best moves is rook to g8. So these are the need more best move by right move here. So these are the solutions here. So these are the slightly betters from blacks here. So back there is rook c8 by packet c, and also rook a d1 without pins the queen. So these are the without controls by d files here, and also decided queen e7 by packet c, and also bishop e2 without controls by defense. So these are marked great bad moves. So that's not one of this computer engine here. So the best moves there, this one is queen e3. So queen e3 here is a right move here. So best solutions by this one, the advantage here. So it means back there, this one is bishop e2 by Yip here, and also pawn e5 blunder ratios by packet c. So these are the double question mark here. So the best moves there is king to h8 is a right move here. So king h8 here. So these are the best solutions from blacks here. So back there, this one is e5 blunders by packet c, and also rook captured, and knight d4. So what happened to packet c? Another second blunder ratios by host the packet c. So the best moves there, this one is queen to f7, not knight to d4. So it means so queen f7 is a better move here. So these are the slightly better from blocks here. So after knight d4 blunderation, so the first puzzle by round number 10. So what do you think about without very strong, brilliant, perfect sacrifice by International Master Carissa Yip? So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. So the round number 10 from brilliant move. Boom! Knight takes captured. Perfect, brilliant sacrifice captured knight by Carissa Yip. What? So very brilliant, strongest by this one. The perfect, brilliant sacrifice captured knight here. And also decided Queen F7. So for example, so why don't we try capture the knight here? So captured knight sacrifice. And decided this one is pawn captured. Without pawn captured here. Or maybe here by this one. So go back. So if you capture this pawn captured knight and queen captured. So these are the right move by the best solutions by good examples here. So back there, this one is queen f7 by Pakidsi, and also queen b5, and also knight d6 without threats the queens. So without disturb this one, the eliminates the queens here, and also rook captured knight without sacrifice by Yip. What? Without sacrifice? Or maybe brilliant move here, or brilliant captured, and decided rook captured rook, so one rook down by Yip, and also queen takes captured pawns check, and also rook f6 and knight takes f5 check, and also king h7, and the last move, boom. so last move knight d6 double, so double the queens and rooks resigned by Nasi Pakidsi. So why she resigns? So for example, so if you move by this one by queen g8 here, only move, and also knight takes captured rook, so one rook down, and also queen takes knight, so one pieces down by black pieces, so lose from blacks here. So next here, so another, so if you move by here by rook to c6 here, only move, and also knight takes captured queen, and also rook takes captured knight, so one piece down here, so these are a lose from blacks here. And the next here, so another by last move, if you move by this one by if you move by this one by rook captured knights here, and also queen takes captured rook, so one piece down here, so these are a lose from blacks here, so lose here. So the score by Yip 91 points and score by Pakidsi 83 points. So the winner, Carissa Yip from round number 10. So next of this last round within round number 11. So next of this proceed by last round, round number 11. Okay, the next last round, round number 11 here. So long game here from time clocks, and also have a between from white pieces by woman grandmaster is Talia Cervantes by USA, and versus the black pieces by international master Carissa Yip in USA. So who was the win of this crown? So let's see of this one. In this part of this video, we have analyzed of the standings after last round, round number 11 from Championship Women's Swiss. So white plays Cervantes is d4, d6 Yip, c4, e5 is called by English rat defense. So what is called by rat defense, or maybe by rats from mouse here? So I thought the mouse by rat. It is called by Queen's Pawns opening English rat defense here and decided by push d5. So for example, so if you capture this one, so main lines, if you capture the d takes e5 and also d takes capture. So these are a without without promotes by queen to queen or without queen to queens without attacks this one. So if you decided queen captured queen and also king takes queen. So these are a no more queens here. So these are the examples. So it means so push d5 by Cervantes and also knight d7 by Yip and also knight c3 and also pawn a5 e4 and also knight c5 without counters here without move controls by Yip and also bishop e3 without threats the knights and also defense by b6 by this one the knights by Yip and also bishop d3 knight takes captured bishop queen takes and also knight f6 by Yip and also pawn f3 by Cervantes and also push or maybe g6 by pawn. So these are the without upcoming by light square bishop by bishop g7 by Yip here and also knight ge2 without preparing by castling queenside or maybe castling here and also knight d7. So what the plans or maybe next maneuver is knight to c5 without threats the queens here or next move by this one the knights by Yip and also castling. So these are a novelty by Cervantes. Castling is out of this line. So these are the old main lines by recording by queen d2 or castling queenside here. So castling. So it means so castling queenside is a old main line. So it means so new move castling out of this line by Cervantes here and also knight c5 without move by this one by knight c5 by Yip or without threats the queens without tempos attacks the queens here and also decided is queen c2 by Cervantes and also pawn f5 without attacks these pawns or move by push by semi-close by f4 without threats the bishops here and also decided by f4 without continuous by Cervantes or ready attacks the pawns and also bishop g7 without defense the pawns here. So these are the bishops or without defense the pawns or without upcoming by castling kingside by Yip here. And also good move is capture this pawn, bishop takes, and another second good move is knight d4 without controls by Cervantes or without controls by continuous or maybe here by decided by next maneuver is knight to c6 without threats the queens. So these are the strong white pieces here and also castling kingside by Yip and another third good move is knight c6 without threats the queens. So very strongest here by knights here by Cervantes and also queen e8 by Yip and also knight b5. So these are a first grade bad move by computer by Cervantes. So that's not one of this computer engine here. So the one's computer the best moves this one is bishop to h6. So it means threats the rooks here. So it means so etc etc. So these are the slightly betters from whites here. So back there this one is knight b5 by Cervantes and also good move rook f7 by Yip, knight takes bishop queen takes and also bishop d4 without threats the queen. So that's not one of this computer another bad move by Cervantes. So the best moves there this one is rook to a e1. Rook a e1. So rook a e1 here. So these are the best solutions here. So these are the slightly advantage from whites here. So slightly advantage here. So back there is bishop d4 by Cervantes, threats the queens, and another good move is queen captured pawn. So what a good precise by Yip or without queen to queens or maybe by this one the queen to queen or threats the bishops here. And decided this one is queen d2 ignorance without defense the bishop and also bishop a6 without threats the knights, and rook a d1. So blunderacious. So blunderacious by Cervantes. So do you want, so I want to shout blunderacious. So blunderacious by Cervantes. So the best moves there, this one is knight to c3 here. So knight c3 is a right move. So without threats the queens. So if you move if you move backwards by queen to e7, and also rook a e1 without threats the queens, and move here controls by queen d7. So etc etc, these are the slightly advantage from blacks here, or slightly advantage from whites and blacks. So rook a d1 blunderacious by Cervantes, and good move by Yip is bishop captured knight, and also rook f e1 without threats the queen. So another second puzzle from round number 11. So what do you think about strongest by second brilliant move by this one by Carissa Yip? So guessing puzzle, so while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here, and congrats for everyone. Queen d3. Second brilliant move by Carissa Yip. Very strongest by perfect brilliant sacrifice from round number 11. So without queen to queen. And decided this one is pawn captured. And also decided queen takes accepted, rook takes, and also knight to e4 without threats the rook. So without knights, or without attacks these rooks or tempos attacks, and also rook c2, and also pawn a4 without strongest, or next by this one by a3 without threats the pawns here, and also decided battery rook ec1, and also knight c5 without defense here, and also bishop captured knight takes, and also rook e1, or maybe without upcoming by this one the battery by rook c e2, and also decided this one is rook d7 without threats the pawns, and also rook e6 without threats here, or threats the pawns, or without threats the pawns or double pawns here, without threats the pawn g6 or check. So how do you controls here? And decided this one is rook a5 without attacks the pawns by b5, and also rook c6 without threats the pawns, and also decided rook captured pawns, and also h4, and also rook b4, and also push h5 sacrifice. So it means so very strongest here. So realize here by sacrifice here by Cervantes, and also king f7 by Yip, captured, and also rook e2, and also rook e4 without rook to rook, and king f2, rook takes captured check, king takes, and also g5. So what the plans, or maybe here by f4 or g4 without move by pawns here, and also a3, and also king e7 without controls by the active move here, and also d6 check, and also captured, rook takes captured, and also rook a7 without defense the pawns, and also king d3, and also king e6, and also rook b8 by Cervantes, or what the plans, or move by rook e8 check here by kings here, and also decided king e5, and also pawn g3, and also rook h7 without moves side by this one rook h3 without threats the pawns, or maybe by pins the kings without checks here. And also rook e8 check, and also king f6, rook f8 check, king e6, rook g8 without threatening the pawns by g5. And also decided this one is rook h2 without threatening the pawns here by b2 here. And also decided this one is rook g6 check, and also king e5, rook captured pawns, and also king f6 threats the rooks, rook g8 without move by rook f8 without checks here. And also decided this one is rook captured pawns, and also king e3, and also rook b3 check. So without check, or without traps the pawns, or maybe the pawns without connecting here. And also king f4, rook captured pawns, and also rook f8 check, and also king e6, rook e8 check, and also king d5, rook f8. So without threats the pawns here, or maybe this one the defense the kings, or without threats the kings without attacks this one the pawns here. And also rook a1, or maybe without move side by next by move by rook f1 without counters attacks the checks here. And also rook a8, so it means, so if you move by rook f1 check, so rook f1 without check here. So these are the controls here. And also c4, and also king captured pawns, and last shot c3. So these are a last round without coming by promotes the queen, so surrender by woman grandmaster Thalia Cervantes. So why she surrender? Because if you move by this one pawn g4, only move by Cervantes, and also pawn c2. So pawn c2, if you rook c8 here, and also rook c1. So if you move by king f4, and also pawn a3. So if you move by king to e3, and also pawn a2. So it means, so these are the two pawns here. So these are the promotes. So unstoppable by promotes the queen. So fatal. So lose from whites here. So it means, so the score by white by Cervantes 87.9, and the score by Accuracy 97.7. So the championship Carissa Yip from this, so second time by crowd by championship here. So let's see of this. So let's see of these results here after the final round from this last round, after round number 11. So it means, so the winner from gold medals by International Master Carissa Yip. So the first placer here, so second times here. So the score 8 points by International Master Carissa Yip from gold place, and the second place by silver medals by 7.5 by International Master Anna Sarsian by silver medals, and the bronze by 7 points by bronze medal by third place by Grandmaster Irina Krashier, and the fourth by 6.5 by International Master Anna Santoski by fourth placer, and 6.5 by fifth placer by International Master Alice Lee. And number 6 by host by 6 points by International Master Nasi Papitsi, and the 7th placer from this my favorite players by 6 points by woman Grandmaster Jennifer Yuso, 7th placer, and 8th placer by 5.5 by FIDE Master Rose Atwell, and 9th placer by 5 points by International Master Tatef Abrahamian, and also the 10th placer by 3 points by woman Grandmaster Thalia Cervantes, and number 11, 3 points by FIDE Master Megan Atea Paragua, so the cousin of Mark Paragua and the mother of Parichanix. And the 12th placer by 2 points by woman grandmaster Atauza Porkashian, the wife of Hikaru Nakamura. So congratulations by top 3 from this one by Women's Swiss. So I will next up this one by this one from Tagalog. So it means so round number 5 between Alice Lee versus Nasi Pagkitsi. And the last round by Ano Sarsian versus Alice Lee from round number 11. So I thought Megan Lee by FIDE Master Megan Lee was absent. So I hope she here by Megan Lee by this one the US Championship here. So it means so I hope at this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Luagi 17, aka iCoolMark 17. Have a good day and keep safe and keep updates of this next chess update. So I will next up this one by Open Swiss by Championship by Grandmaster by male is Fabiano Caruana. So I will analyze here from these games. So 2 games analyzed from round number 10 to 11. So happy Wednesday and bye bye.